Welcome to Safe Space Kids, the fun and friendly place for learning, laughing, and growing. Don't forget to subscribe.
A is for Alpha, flying through the sky. B is for Bravo, give it a try. C is for Charlie, marching in a row. T is for Delta, let's all go. Come and sing, let's learn today. The NATO Alphabet, hip hooray. From Alpha to Zulu, come along. Let's learn together with this song. E is for Echo, bouncing off the wall. F is for Foxtrot, dancing at the ball. G is for Golf, swinging to the green. H is for Hotel, the coziest you've seen. Come and sing, let's learn today. The NATO Alphabet, hip hooray. From Alpha to Zulu, come along. Let's learn together with this song. I is for India, a land far away. J is for Juliet, sailing on the bay. K is for Kilo, lifting something strong. L is for Lima, come and sing along. Come and sing, let's learn today. The NATO Alphabet, hip hooray. From Alpha to Zulu, come along. Let's learn together with this song. M is for Mike, marching in a band. N is for November, leaves fall to the land. O is for Oscar, winning the big prize. P is for Papa, with love in his eyes. Come and sing, let's learn today. The NATO Alphabet, hip hooray. From Alpha to Zulu, come along. Let's learn together with this song. Q is for Quebec, where it's snowy and cold. R is for Romeo, a love story told. S is for Sierra, with mountains so high. T is for Tango, let's give it a try.